everyone and welcome back to Project BlackBox. Today we are going to show you how to install Python on your system. So first let's head over to our command prompt and see if we have Python or not. So I'll write cmd, and in order to check that you can just write in Python, and you can see it is redirecting me to actually install it since we don't have Python in our system. Another way you can check it is you can write Python space hyphen hyphen and you can write version. So you can see that this is an unknown command to the system. Now in order to install Python, you have to go to Google and search for Python, and the first link that pops in, you can click on this and you have to go to downloads. Here on I'm just going to download the latest version, which is 3.9.1. I'm going to click on it and it has started downloading. Now one more thing is that if you have Mac or Linux, you already have Python on your system, but that is Python 2.7. So in order to install Python 3, you can just go to this Linux Mac options and you can explore the 64-bit installers or the 32 bits, whatever is your system. For Windows also, if you have a 32-bit system, you can just click on Windows and here you will find the 32-bit installer. For those who are still using Windows 7 or something, so you can just look onto the previous files that were uploaded by Python. Now however, I have downloaded my executable file, so I'll just open it and show you the installation process. So one thing that you have to be very aware of is to select this one, install Python 3.9 to path. So if you don't add this to path, you will have a lot of errors and problems while running your codes. So make sure to select this checkbox and click on install now. And as you can see, it is very fast to install. So it says the setup was successful, and if I now reopen my command prompt and write in Python, you're going to see that it is giving me the interpreter. So if I write in 2 plus 5, it's going to give me 7. If I write print hello, it is giving me all the outputs. Also in the Windows start menu, you can find something called IDLE. So you can, this is a Python shell, you can code is in this, you can create your new files, you can name them and you can run them also. So this is how you install Python in your system. And thank you for watching this video. Make sure to hit a like, share with your friends and subscribe the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.